Alright, so I got all the cables hooked up in the proper order, in the proper spot on this side and on this side over here. Where are we? Here we go. So this is the cable that I installed. This is the throttle cable. You screw it all the way down and then you slowly run it back and pull it back. That tightens up this cable slowly but surely. And you want to make sure this cable, of course, as I said in the last video, and the other cable are in the box at the same time. But you take that one, you start at the bottom and work your way up to tighten it, and you do the same on the other side. And with this one here, you start all the way down and you pull it back until it's tight. When it matches in here, and then you pull on this, you test it, and when you pull, if one carb opens before the other, then you adjust so they open and pull and have enough slack on both at the same time. Because when you go like this, you want the same movement simultaneously on both carbs, that one and that one. So I did that. That one's down, I clamped this off. Now I can put my hose on here and tighten it all down here and underneath. I still have to tighten it down in there somewhere, way in the back. Maybe you can't see it in the shadow, right above my finger. I gotta tighten that one down too. I think when I do that, I'm done putting the carbs in. I think. So I'm gonna finish this one off and go from there.